In this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram messages if they are not sending. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And there actually can be two different reasons that causes that problem. And the first is a bad internet connection, and you can simply check your current internet connection. For that, just open up your web browser, go to google.com and enter in the search box the word speed test and then go to speedtest.net. Here I can check my internet connection, just hit at this go button and wait for a couple of seconds. Now my speed connection is being checked, it's up to 13, 14, 15 megabytes, and as you know, even 5 or even 3 megabytes is enough to send messages on Instagram. So now I got 19 megabytes per second, and it means that my internet connection works good. The next thing that I need to check is status of Instagram servers. I have to check Instagram servers, and for that I can go to Google, or I can use search field to enter is Instagram down. And there I have to go into downdetector.com, and here it shows currently status of Instagram servers. Now there it says on the very first position that user reports indicate no current problems at Instagram. You can scroll down and see more detailed information. Here will be information about Instagram outages reported in the last 24 hours. So if you see at that moment the high spike here on that graph, it probably means that Instagram got some issues right now, and you just have to wait for some time until they solve that problem. Also, you can scroll down more, and here you can see comments or Instagram reports from social media, and if some users are leaving their comments about issues that they got, here you can get information about that. So now you know how to fix if Instagram messages are not sending, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.